Hello?
Hi, this is Kathy calling from Kia.
Yeah, Kathy. Yeah, just wonder what's
Hi
the
there.
situation of my engines in the Kias.
I'm sorry?
Just wonder that what's the situation of my engines, inside my Kia.
On your engine, okay.
Yeah.
Let's see here. Bear with me.
Okay, yeah.
So it says on here, vehicle died while driving down the freeway. Let's see here. Inspected and found an O-ring for the oil filter housing faulty. Replaced, cleaned, and rechecked. Engine is okay. Test drove okay. So it looks like they did an oil change on it, and the oil filter has an O-ring that's attached to it. The O-ring on your oil filter was faulty, so either it was rolled or it had a crack in it. So it dumped the oil out the bottom of the filter. They replaced the oil filter, topped off the oil, cleaned it all up underneath, and made sure that it wasn't leaking anymore. And now it's A-okay.
But during the period of the oil pressures leakage, it was like completely almost dried out when the engines died on I-5, yesterday. So that could seriously damage the structural part inside the engine, right? So it wouldn't be able to fix like that in 12 hours, I guess.
Well, we're not going to replace the motor right now. There's nothing wrong with it.
Oh, the engines, not the motor.
Correct. The engine and the motor are the same thing. The engine is okay right now.
But what about yesterday, the leak of oil pressures? It's like totally, that could have damaged the structural parts inside the engine.
Okay, but right now the engine is running okay.
Temporarily.
They don't see any damage right now.
Okay, but did you guys get the engines scanned inside pressure test and things like that? There's no damages inside, because once I pick it up, the liability is on me.
Well, no, if you pick it up and anything happens, we'll always try to see if it's something that we need to take care of. But as of right now, we don't see any problems happening.
Yeah, that's what temporarily is still drivable, right?
Yep, drivable.
Yeah, but down the road it's gonna cause some major long-term issues with the engines. It could just break down or just die suddenly, We don't know that.
We don't know that.
Yeah, we don't know that.
Yeah, we don't know that.
But it's me to test it out by myself with my car like that.
Okay, so how can I help?
Yeah, I'm thinking about, if it has been fixed, really, but I have other, mechanics told me that, and this should be the engine should be totaled already, should have been. So what you are telling me is it has been fixed. You couldn't find any other things, but within 12 hours, I still have to ask, more information from. Yeah, that's why I'm just communicating and to let you know that, yeah, I am deciding whether to pick it up or to consult more information, from mechanics or attorneys, because of the.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean because of the drain plug that was.
If you're consulting attorneys, I'm not allowed to speak with you. You have to speak with our manager at that point.
Yeah, but I still have to let you guys know why I am coming or not coming to pick it up, because if it has been fixed, confirmed from Kia's dealership, then I can make different decisions based on the situation of the engines, right? Because you have any technical paperwork to certify the fixing of the damages of the engines now?
I'm not quite sure what I would give you to certify that.
Okay. This is what I am worried about that. Because I put a whole chunk of my money and everything, in the car. And that damages, for me, It's not, it's not really my fault. I shouldn't, it's not my fault about putting it back. The drain plugs, and I'm the one now, being in the middle of it. I don't know if the insurance company is gonna take liability or dealership's gonna take a liability, but I'm the one who suffer from the damage to the engines.
Did you have an oil change done before we did an oil change on the car?
The first time you guys did the oil change and then it came like that. This is the first time.
Yeah, has anybody done the oil change on it before?
Yeah,
Or just us?
Violin, they did it before.
Okay, good. Okay, good. Because I don't see any record of having it done before. Only at 17,000, and that worries me.
But this is the second time already. So the oil change. Because I got an email from you guys and give me a discount and fix the appointments, and I would rather why not come back to dealerships to get the oil change. And,
yeah.
All right.
As long as it was changed beforehand, that's perfect.
Yeah, they did Violin, and you guys maybe have the record too. On the sticker on my windshield. On the windshield, it says sticker Violin, and yeah. Yeah, on the
I didn't look
windshield.
at your windshield, sorry.
Yeah, and anyway, all right then. And this is what I can tell you now. And if your managers, is around, then I can speak to him a little bit.
I don't have anyone tonight. It would have to be tomorrow.
We have to be tomorrow. All right then. Thank you so much. Then I'll try to contact you guys tomorrow. Let's see how to sort it out. Then. Thank you. You have a good day. Thank you.
Okay, no problem.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.